Good morning, everybody. Today I'm going to meet up with a friend of mine. He has his car in the shop. We're gonna go take a look at it, and then he's got some parts in. It's at an auto body shop right now. Anyways, I'll show a video right now of him racing a GTR right now. Anyways, but then I'll kind of show what happened to his car and why it's in a shop. But anyways, it's a great day here in Utah. Anyways, my car's dirty, as you can see here. There is dirt everywhere. So, and then I'll probably go get that car wash. But anyways, I'll see you when I get to the...
No, it's underneath my car, bro. It's I'm literally dragging.
So, this is Bryce's car. It's currently in the shop right now, just getting a little bit of work done. But we do have a progress video that we're also doing on it. But I'll show you some of the car and some of the damages that were done. But here you go. Dented this here. Here's intercooler. Also knocked off some of the welds right here. As you can see over here, knocked those loose. It's got, there's the turbo. It's gonna have to change this out because it got a little bit of a cut right there. It's gonna have to replace this because it's got pretty beat up too. Then the front bumper and this lip. But this is the whole car. I'll post some clips of his car when it was up and running, but anyways, for now, that's what it is, and then we'll just keep on getting updates for it. So just got done washing the car. Yes, as you can see, there are still water spots and everything because I don't usually carry a towel around with me anymore, or never really have. But so we got in there, and then we were talking to the guy that was going to work on the car. He said that he likes to work better at, well, he said he works better at his house because he's got everything already set up. And Bryce obviously just wants his car back. So he says whatever's going to be easiest and fastest, go ahead and do that. So we probably won't really get any footage of the car while it's being fixed or anything. But we'll try and get as much filmed as we can. We'll try and get as much filmed as we can. So he's trying to go to the Gearhead Society car meet thing, King of Two-Step, in, what is that? April? Yeah, April 3rd at Rio Tinto Stadium here in Utah. But until we get further news on the car, I will keep you updated, and we'll try and get more of it filmed for you guys. More about why I only vlog in the mornings, or they're so short right now, because I do work right now. I have to, in order to pay my bills and everything. But I work swings, that way my mornings are open and I generally can get a few things done in the morning. So that is why they are short and simple. But I'm hoping that in a little bit that I can eventually quit my job and become a full-time YouTuber or vlogger, however you want to put it. But until that happens, they're just going to be a little short and not a whole lot to them, because I got to get content and everything. But also probably won't be a daily thing, just because I have to plan stuff out. But if you guys like the video, please hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of the build. And then eventually I hope to start on my build, but that will conclude today's video. Thank you guys for watching.